Yeah, that mother finger. The hair's there. See that? Mama, how much see? You can feel it. Line here and the finger.
Alrighty, good afternoon, y'all. My name's Natalia, and I am the daughter of the owner of Quelle Nature Voulait. And I would like to give you guys like a little hair update on, you know, on what I got going on. I gotta show y'all that the product works. That's really why I'm here. I'm here to show you that the product works and that it's like not gonna take your money. I'm trying to tell you. Just listen. Follow me. Alright, so boom. I recorded these videos months ago, but I lost the footage. But since I found them, I might as well use them, and that's what I'm doing here. So right now I'm finna just show you guys how like much my hair had grown in a month. In a month using Quelle Nature Voulait specifically.
1 month earlier.
Alrighty, so here's the deal. Because I didn't show the date of the video, here's the files from the dates that I shot them. So you know that I have like a definite date for when all of this was done. And here you can see me moving the video files straight to where I'm trying to create the video. So no confusion.
Let's get into the video.
Yesterday I washed my hair. Today I'm about to put more hair products back in it. I wanted to do a length check real quick, and I'm gonna have my boyfriend help me with that, my little handy dandy boyfriend, and we're gonna go from there. And I'm gonna actually pull this stuff down and everything first and get that together.
This side?
This side. Like in the back. Is it the same?
Let's see. Comb this shit out. Nah, that ain't longer. It's cut. It's definitely right there.
That pretty gonna do like that from the front. Get like a U-shaped kind of situation going on, and then just pull and then kind of, you know.
Pull it down a little bit more. You're gonna have to step a little closer. Alright.
Oh, too close?
Right there. Alright, look where your finger at. That's why I'm marking a line at. That's from the top.
Yeah.
Alright,
That. And then you gotta get the side parts. So let's try to get this thing through the middle. Cool. And then just try to pull and figure it out.
This will help if you were to comb your hair.
I know, now.
And you can actually see where you should be at, but alright, try to hold
on, because I want to make
like
sure.
when you hold it like, yeah, so I can mark it on the side of your finger.
I'm gonna try to make sure, like, we're gonna go maybe like an inch or two up from the ear, and we're gonna go around. That way we know next time do the same shit.
Pull it down, just like put your finger down, but you still got more hair. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they kind of almost even on the sides.
Yeah.
Almost. They not
That's how you know
really.
I'm doing my job right. That's how you know right there.
Thank you. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and get to it and take care of this head, cause
Now, let's see the shirt a month later.
it's been a month. Put some respect on the name. Look at that. A month. So right now I'm gonna show you guys the date, and so you guys can tell what date it is. Right now I'm using my laptop because my phone dead, and that's why I'm using my camera because my phone dead, and there's no point in me charging it. Don't nobody hit me up, so I'm good. In the corner you can see the date. 5/13/2021, and it's flipped weird because my camera is in reverse display, but May 13th. I done been putting this stuff in for like a month now, and we're gonna see how well it went. So this is like from, you know, this is the front. As you can tell, this is the front, and then we gonna stretch him. We gonna stretch him as far as we can. Look at that. Look at that. It's been a month. Put some respect on the name. Look at that. A month. Look at these ones. Hold on. I'm gonna get you right. Look at that. Look at that. A month. Look at that. Hold on. Let me get you together. Hold on. Look, let me show you. Look at that. Whole time I can't even look at that to tell what I'm looking at. Hold on, let me get some help. Mother! Ma! Mama! Ma!
What?
Mama, I need your assistance.
I'm trying to get dressed.
I know, but I need you to pull the back because I can't tell where the line is at. Did it grow?
Yeah, it went past the line.
By how much?
I don't know. Okay, the line right here, right?
Okay.
And your hair is line here, and the hair is, okay, line here, then mother finger. The hair is there. See that?
Mama, how much see?
You can feel it. Line here, and the finger there.
Okay.
So, there you go. It grew over an inch.
It grew over in it.
It grew.
There go y'all proof. There go y'all proof.
All right, so let me go do my hair so we can go.
Okay.
I look like Boo Boo the Food.
Okay.
And we gonna be late.
All right. So also rushing. So I gotta go.